Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, your word of the day is to trust the process. Trust yourself, your intuition. It was not a conference call when Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, the Creator, Jesus Christ called you and said, listen, this is what you should do. This is the direction you need to walk into. It was not a conference call. Therefore, you're the only one that knows what the next step is. Have confidence in yourself to keep moving forward consistently, strong, and with not only with faith, but confidence. I trust my life and in my strengths. Each moment guides me to my light. Everything on my path is placed for my growth, even the obstacles, even the hard times, even the tests, because you always stand up to the test and you pass. Therefore, you have become smarter, wiser, stronger, and you can maintain bigger blessings, which Lord God, Spirit, Universe is only testing you so they can give you more. Everything is always to give you more than what you've been asking for or what you can imagine to even ask for. So continue, stay vigilant, and stay consistent. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.